Hi, I'm Laura from Guns & Sons Contracting. We're here to protect your home with reliable, affordable, and quality roofing services. Our affordable roof repair services fix problems early, saving you money and stress in the long run. As local roofing contractors, we understand your area, your weather, and your roofing needs. We follow a detailed roof inspection checklist and help you spot early signs of roof damage before they become costly repairs. Worried about costs? Our roof repair financing options make quality roofing accessible and stress-free.
We also share simple homeowner roofing tips to help you maintain your roof and extend its life.
At Guns & Sons, quality roofing services are our promise, built to last and done right. For dependable roofing you can trust, contact Guns & Sons today. Call 250-925-4134 or visit www.gunsandsonscontracting.ca. Guns & Sons Contracting Coral, protecting your home from the top down.